Hello, Maggie here from the beautiful Arifana in Portugal. I wanted to share a Kriya meditation. This might be a perfect example of how you can meditate anywhere. I'm in a beautiful place, but you might hear sounds of construction or people talking in the background, and that's totally fine. The space you come to in meditation is within you, so you can be anywhere and do these meditations. Basically, in the Kriya meditation, you imagine you're creating your own bubble and you're the center of it. You're centered, grounded to the earth and the sky above, and you can bring into this bubble your intention, how you want to feel. Maybe you want to feel peaceful, calm, gratitude, joy. Any of this is possible. You put other thoughts aside and come into this meditation. It involves moving your hands with breath, so it's hard for your mind to go other places, making it quite magical. To do this meditation, I'll show first the movements and then I'll add in the breath. You will start with hands on knees and you sit looking down. The movements go as so. You lift the face and the right hand. You'll look to the right hand as though it's a mirror and it's looking at you. You really can look at the palm and see the lines of your palm, or your eyes can be closed. The face comes back to center. You lower your face and you lower the hand. Same thing other side. You lift the left hand and your face. You look to the left palm. You bring your face back to center. You lower the hand and you lower your face. As you add in breath, sometimes people feel clumsy or it's hard to match the breath with the movements. Fake it until you make it. If you need to inhale a bit longer, go for it. Eventually the movement should feel graceful and light. Let's begin. Find your breath. I like to close my eyes. Notice where your mind wants to go. Take those thoughts and put them aside. Instead of ignoring the sounds around you, just accept them. Take a moment to notice the sounds you're surrounded by. On your next inhale, you'll raise the right hand and your face. Exhale, turn your face to look at the right palm. Inhale, face comes to center. Exhale, lower the hand, lower the chin, lower the face. Inhale, lift the face, lift the left hand. Exhale, turn your face to the left palm. Inhale, bring the face to center. Exhale, lower the chin, lower the hand. We'll repeat 2 more times on each side. Inhale, right hand and face lift. Exhale, look to the right hand. Inhale, look to center. Exhale, lower the hand, lower the chin. Inhale, lift the left hand, lift the face. Exhale, look to the left hand. Inhale, look to center. Exhale, lower the left hand, lower the face. See if you can breathe a little bit slower. You can acknowledge the pause between inhale and exhale and inhale. 1 more round through. Inhaling, lift the right hand, lift the face. Exhale, turn your face to the right hand. Inhale, turn your face to center. Exhale, lower your face, lower the right hand. Inhaling, lift the left hand, lift the face. Exhale, turn your face to the left hand. Inhale, turn the face to center. exhale, lower your face, lower the left hand. Sit in stillness, listen to the sound of your breath. On 5 exhales, backwards, starting at 5. Notice your physical body. Notice your breath. Notice your mind. You may open the eyes and come back. The best of me honors the best of you. The worst of me respects the worst of you. May we each live intentionally, live consciously, live in beauty. Namaste. Drop in the comments how this works for you. For a lot of people, this is a nice way to get into meditation. I hope that's the case for you. If anything's not clear or feels awkward or you have any questions, please write it in the comments below. I'm happy to share and continue to share until this feels comfortable, graceful, light, and gives you that mental clarity. Thank you. Bye.